Hi everyone, here's Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. It's been a while since I did an unboxing, and it's been a while since I bought a new watch. I think the last one was the Seagull, and I thought, yeah, this one, I found a good price for it, and I really wanted to try the style. You will see what I'm talking about, and yeah, I thought it's a pretty interesting watch, and I thought, okay, even if I don't like it, I would be able to resell it easily enough here in Germany at least. And yeah, that's why I bought this watch, just for fun, to be honest. And let's see what they sent us. So if you like this kind of content, please do leave a like, also subscribe. Going back to the unboxing, we have a Steeldive. I already made an episode about Mario's Steeldive. I did have already ordered this one much long before the other watch came. Yeah, let's open it. This Pelican box. We have the Steeldive card, warranty, the number. Let's put it in the bag. Put this away. And let's take this one out. So you can see the Steeldive Captain Willard Hommage, NH36, I think, and Kanagawa fully loomed dial. I'll be showing you the loom in another video because today is really sunny, so I don't know if I'm able to show you. Let's see. I'll just put it under a high LED, and here we go. As you can see, you have a green loom and yellow, blue as well. So, going back to the watch, screw down crown, automatic, as you can see, the second hand directly moved. Hand winding, stop second. So let's do this. Yeah. Today is the 20th, Saturday. That's why I'm wearing my Seiko 5 Arabic dial. Seiko Saturday. Back to the watch at hand. It's a bit weird. This like the crown, just to put it in, is a bit hassle. Also because the crown, these crown guards make it much harder to do it, to be honest. Bezel action, let's see. Yeah, there is a little play. As you can see, it does line up, but you can see the bezel play. Yeah, that's just quality control stuff. When you're paying 200 euros or under 200 euros for a watch that has a sapphire crystal, a ceramic bezel, automatic movement, Kanagawa dial, yeah, you should expect also some cost cutting methods, especially in the quality control and finish. So let's see how big is the watch, oh, zeroing it out. I'm using this one because it's plastic, so it won't scratch. Oh, it's 43.7, and let's see, lug to lug 46.5, thickness 13.5, and the strap is 20 millimeters. Yeah. What else? I have a 17 centimeter, 6.69 inches wrist. So just for your reference, this it will look. Oh, Oh, it does look nice on my wrist. The strap is actually surprisingly good. Yeah, I'm surprised, to be honest, because I'm used to very bad leather no, rubber straps, but this one is actually not bad, and it doesn't flap because you have two flaps, so that's not bad at all. Actually, I don't mind this strap. I thought that it would be such a big strap because on the Heimdallr the strap was so big, it went out from here. On this one, it looks good. It looks really nice. You have the hour hand. You have this red feature on the second hand. I'm trying to get the best lighting for you guys. Try it out with this. Ah, it looks really nice. Automatic, water resistant, 200 meters, Steeldive logo. The polish on the sides, brushed on upside. It's homage of the Captain Willard, Seiko Captain Willard watch from Apocalypse Now movie, 72. Pretty cool movie if you didn't watch it. And just to make sure that the watch is in good working order, or at least we know what's the yeah, the deviation that the watch. Wow, +4, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. +4. Whoa, the beat error is unacceptable. 3.5 seconds. Whoa, that's really unacceptable, to be honest. Yeah, may have to write them an email because this beat error is just very bad. Yeah, I think I have to either open it up or write them because this is just really not the best way to unbox a watch just to find the beat error 3.3 milliseconds. That's just crazy. You can see the lines are just all over the place. Might give it a nice shake. Give it a restart. Put it again. And maybe I'll leave it for a couple of minutes and come back to you guys to see if it's still the same bad performance. So after leaving it for a while, we can see that we have a 0.8 millisecond beat error, which is still not good. A low amplitude of 236, which is still not good, and a +7 seconds, which is okay. So I'll take just a picture of that, send it to the seller, and tell them that yeah, I'm not happy about these numbers, but what can you do? I don't think that they will do anything. They sell in bulk, so a private seller like me won't matter to them, so I don't think that they will care about me so much. So this was the first impression on the Steeldive Captain Willard 1970 SD Hommage with the Kanagawa dial. If you have any questions about this watch, please leave them in the comments below. If you have experience with the watch, please do leave them in the comments below as well. Also, if you have any kind of question watch related, just leave them in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and all notifications as well, because all this stuff helps with the YouTube algorithm and it pushes the channel forward, so I'm able to do more videos, and of course yeah, makes me also happy. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Have a great one. Bye.